Milarepa. If one is really determined to free oneself from the sufferings of samsara, such as birth, old age, illness, death, and so on, he will have peace of mind all the time and will not need to make any effort. Otherwise, he should bear in mind that the sufferings in a future life could be much more durable and longer lasting than those in this life, and the burden could also be much heavier. It is, therefore, of paramount importance to take steps to prepare for the next life. This was said to some young men from his native country who asked how they could extricate themselves from worldly affairs. Then Milarepa said, "Please hearken, and I will sing a song for you."
We sentient beings moving in the world float down the flowing stream of the four sufferings. Compared to this, how much more formidable are the unceasing future lives in samsara? Why not, then, prepare a boat for the crossing? The state of our future lives is far more fearful and deserving of far more concern than are the dreadful demons, ghosts, and yama, so why not prepare for yourself a guide? Even the dread passions, craving, hatred, and blindness, are not so fearful as the state of our unknown future, so why not prepare for yourself an antidote? Great is the kingdom of the three realms of samsara, but greater is the endless road of birth and death. So why not prepare for yourself provisions? It will be better if you practice Dharma, if you have no assurance in yourselves.
Milarepa said, "A human body, free and opportune, is as precious as a jewel, and to have a chance to practice the Dharma is likewise very rare. Also, to find one serious Buddhist in 100 is difficult, considering the difficulties of meeting the right gurus and other necessary favorable conditions for practicing Buddhism. You should deem yourselves very fortunate that you have now met all these requirements. Do not therefore waste them, but practice the Dharma.